Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your guest night, Diamond here, and I'm back again with another video. If it's the first time you see my face on your screen, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the bell notification on so you don't miss any I post. And now it's time to be part of Diamond Squad. Let's go back up right now and give this video a like. So make sure you guys go and watch my recent videos. Like I said, make sure it's gonna be in the cards above and towards the end of the video, so make sure you guys go and check them out. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette and the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So before we get into that, I'm going to swatch a few shades from the Icy Fantasy palette. See how primitive this is. So by the way, here's the palette. It's got a strong smell. And here are the beautiful shades. And the names of them is on the little plastic thingy, which I hate that. I wish the names would be on the palette. But we're not going to focus on the names right now. So I'm just going to swatch, obviously, the... oh, this is like really soft. Okay. I'm going to just swatch the pastel colors. So... mostly going to be swatching those because those are the colors I'm going to be working with for this look. And look how pigmented they are right off the bat. Like, oh. So it's like very, very pastel. I'm going to swatch the orange. Here's the orange. And we get the yellow. Is that yellow shade? Yeah, I'm gonna be working with these pastel colors today, so excited. Okay, this is a pressed glitter. Okay, this is definitely a pressed glitter shade. Yeah, that's glitter. Okay, so you got a glitter, and what is this one? Everything is like pretty much soft here. So you have this one and this. Okay, this green. It's like, it has like a hint of blue in it. I don't know if you can see that. You can't really see that. But it has like a hint of green, blue, pink in it. I like how the colors look like so far in this palette. So, excited to dive on in with this. I don't know if I'm going to add the glitter to this look because glitter is so hard to come off your eyes when you put it on your eyes. I'm gonna tell you that. So I don't know if I'm gonna put glitter. I might just use the shimmer instead. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and use the primer potion. I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on my eyes. I need a little bit in here. Oh. Okay, it's the same, it's like the same color as my skin tone basically. Doesn't really have a scent. Okay. You just, yeah, it's like the same color. Like, it's like kind of like, I would say, kind of like a color I would use for concealer. So, this is interesting. So, I'm going to go ahead. Here. I usually don't use eye primers like that. I usually always use concealer for eye primer because I just don't get the whole point, you know. But okay, let me see. I'm gonna go with the yellow first. I'm gonna go with this yellow first and like the inner corner right here. I never start from over here, but I'm just gonna start from right here. Get in my eye. And so far with the primer potion, it's showing up really nicely. So I might consider getting the full size one day. So not bad at all. You do gotta dip in back into the palette here and there to have it really show up how I want it to show up. But for a pastel yellow, I really dig it. I really think it's really cute. Alright, so that's my pastel yellow. So now I'm just basically what I'm gonna be using is the pastel green, the blue, the purple, the orange, and this shade right here, which I forgot to swatch, this pastel pink color. So yeah, that's a pretty pink. I'm gonna kind of do like a rainbow pastel type of thing. So yeah. Alright guys, so I already did the look. I was thinking of putting eyeliner on, but I don't know, I just want to keep it like this. I did put mascara on. I did put the Fenty Beauty mascara, and for lips I already had the Kylie Jenner lip gloss. And by the way, I have to say this palette is very messy, as you can see here. So there is a lot of fallout going on when it comes to this palette. So but either way, the colors work really nicely once you kind of layer it, build it up. It actually shows up, because I was kind of scared. I'm like, oh my god, I hope it shows up, like please show up, you know. But it honestly shows up. I use all the colors I said I was going to use. I use the green, the blue, the purple, the yellow, the pink, and the orange. So I did use the pink and the orange right here, and I used the pink right here and the orange right here, and the rest of the colors I used right here. I was trying to fit every color in on my eyes, but it didn't work. So yeah, but honestly, I like this palette. I love the pastel colors so much. And this, the glitter would have probably make sense to put right here, but I did went ahead and use this, and this feels like putty. Like I think this is like a putty eyeshadow right here. This one, it feels like very putty like. So yeah, I think that's the case with that eyeshadow. Is like very putty like. So because when I was dipping the brush into there, it seemed that way. But yeah, like I said, is this putty too? Yeah, this shimmers feel very putty like. Shimmers feel very putty. So I mean, it's easy to work with, so yeah. But like I said, the palette is great. If you guys are interested in purchasing this palette, you can get it on the Morphe website or Ulta Beauty websites. Highly recommend it. Like I said, it's easy to work with. Once you build it up and layer it, it's just fine. So yeah, and as far as the primer goes, I don't know if I would use this primer for this palette in particular. I think I would more use a concealer for this palette than the primer itself, because I don't know, I just feel like the primer did help, you know, with some of the colors, but like, especially the yellow really brought out the yellow there. But I don't know, I think the primer is good. I have no problems with it, but I wouldn't use it for certain palettes, I would say. So yeah guys, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the bell notification if you haven't, follow me on my social medias, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Christian Dior, I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I